Today, we're diving into one of the most epic destinations on Earth, Manaus, Brazil. This is the gateway to the Amazon rainforest, home to surreal natural wonders, a fascinating history, and a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Welcome to One Week One World, where we bring you the best travel itineraries from around the globe. Buckle up, because this is your ultimate 7-day itinerary for exploring Manaus and the Amazon. Our adventure starts in Manaus, the capital of the Amazonas state. Back in the late 19th century, this city was one of the richest in the world, thanks to the rubber boom. And the crown jewel of that era? The stunning Amazon Theater. This opera house was built in 1896 with materials imported from all over Europe: Italian marble, French glass, and Scottish steel. It was a symbol of Manaus' immense wealth, but when the rubber industry collapsed, so did the city's fortunes. Today, it's a proud landmark of a forgotten era. After exploring, we head to Ponta Negra Beach, a scenic riverside spot perfect for watching the sunset over the Rio Negro. For dinner, grab a plate of grilled tambaqui, a delicious Amazonian fish that's a must-try. Day 2 has us experiencing one of the most unique natural wonders in the world, the meeting of the waters. The dark Rio Negro and the muddy Solimões flow together without mixing for miles due to differences in temperature, speed, and density. Next, we take a boat safari where we get to see Amazonian wildlife up close, including the rare pink river dolphins. These intelligent creatures are sacred in local folklore, believed to transform into humans at night. And look at these giant water lilies, they can grow up to 7 feet in diameter. This is what makes the Amazon so surreal. Time to leave the city behind on day 3. We're heading deep into the jungle to stay in an Amazon lodge, our home for the next 2 nights. On our guided hike, we'll learn survival techniques, spot exotic creatures, and see trees over 200 feet tall. The Amazon is the lungs of the planet, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. For supper we try pirarucu de casaca, shredded pirarucu fish baked with plantain and potato crisps. After dark, we go on a night safari, where the jungle comes alive with glowing insects, howling monkeys, and lurking caiman. We are still in the Amazon on day 4. One of the best ways to explore the Amazon is by canoe. It's peaceful, immersive, and takes us where larger boats can't go. We also visit a caboclo community, where we learn how the indigenous people have survived for centuries, fishing, harvesting acai, and using jungle plants as medicine. After paddling back to our camp, we relax under the stars and listen to the sounds of the Amazon and enjoy our last night in the jungle. It's day 5 and don't forget your swimsuit. It's time for a waterfall adventure in Presidente Figueiredo, just 2 hours from Manaus. These falls are hidden in the Amazon jungle, offering refreshing pools to swim in. This region is also home to mysterious caves, like Gruta do Refugio do Maroga. It's a surreal landscape, and a great contrast to the rainforest experience. Today we will try a dish that originated here in the Amazon jungle and is very popular around the world. Acai, a frozen dessert made from pureed acai berries and topped with granola, fresh fruit, nuts, or chocolate. But unlike the common practice outside the Amazon, locals in Manaus typically eat acai warm with savory foods like fish, not with sugary toppings. Day 6 is our chance to learn more about what put Manaus on the international map. To truly understand Manaus, you have to know its rubber boom history. The Museu do Seringal is a living museum that shows what life was like for rubber barons and workers in the 1800s. This is how rubber was harvested, from trees just like this. Back then, rubber tappers lived under brutal conditions, while the rich elite lived in luxury. This boom turned Manaus into the Paris of the tropics, but when rubber trees were smuggled to Asia, the industry collapsed overnight. This city has seen it all: wealth, collapse, and rebirth. And that's what makes it so fascinating. On our last day, we visit the Adolfo Lisboa Market, Manaus' oldest market. The market was constructed between 1880 and 1883. The building's metallic structures were built in Paris and sent to Manaus by ship. Here you can buy fresh acai, guarana, and Brazil nuts. Before heading to the airport and flying home, stop at one of the nearby restaurants, Time Out Market, and enjoy one more meal of tambaqui, or pamonha, a dish made from green corn and coconut milk, and maybe a little more acai. And that's a wrap. 1 week in Manaus and the Amazon, a perfect blend of adventure, history, and culture. If you loved this itinerary, hit like and subscribe for more epic trips around the world. See you on the next adventure with 1 Week One World.